Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of This Just In with Justin. Got a new little setup here, we've moved around a little bit, and we've got some exciting news for you today. I got a package in earlier this afternoon, and I took it out of the original shipping container, but I haven't seen any more since, and I'm excited. I hope you're as excited as I am. So, without further ado, look at this bag. Obviously it's a big package, so let's see what we've got inside. Oh yeah! So Govee have been kind enough to send me their new smart humidifier, moisture redefined. Let me just tell you, if you're using DHL, it might take a couple extra days for you to get the package though. They're not the greatest, but it got here. It's a little banged up, but we're excited to look at it. It's called the H7141. Let's unbox it and see what we got. First thing I notice is that it's pretty standard, just a basic box. I'm betting it'll probably change and get more colors as it ships, but this is an early release edition, so I'm excited to see what we got. Who needs a box? A little styrofoam. Ooh, user manual has some stuff in it, so I'm not going to keep that just in case. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Ooh, lots of parts. Okay, wow. First thing we need to mention, on the side of the box, let's grab that guy again. It does tell you, works with Govee Smart Thermo Hygrometer. Note, thermo hygrometer not included. Now the good news is you can get one of them on Amazon. The bad news is there's 5 million of them. But you can find a Wi-Fi edition, you can find a Bluetooth edition. They've got a baby monitor that ships with a Wi-Fi hygrometer, sort of, because it ties into the baby monitor. But nonetheless, if you want to tie this in with Wi-Fi statistics and the hygrometer, which measures the moisture and humidity in the room, you'll need to get that separately. So let's go back to this guy. Ooh. Glad that fell off, because inside we have a quick start guide, more manual, and a quick start guide. A little plug there. A little top here. All right, well, let's set it up and see what we get. So, better move that styrofoam. How does this go on? There she goes, right like that. And then the lid goes up here like that. Probably should have put this somewhere. Where does this go? No? Does it go in here? Maybe down here? Yeah, it goes down there. We better be careful. So the quick start guide, if we take a look at it, says remove all packaging, glass tape, and forms with the humidifier. Remove the water tank cover. Fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend using purified water, distilled water. Don't fill past the max water line. Put 8 to 10 drops of essential oil on the Aroma Pad. What's the Aroma Pad? You haven't really explained that to me yet. But the good news is, I've done some research. Down here is the Aroma Pad. There's a little sort of soft pad that's down there. And if I'm not mistaken, there was a spare one inside the manual. So we can add aroma to it if we want with some diffuser oils. Plug in the humidifier and tap the on and off button to operate your humidifier. Bang! Well, hang on a minute and we'll be right back because we're going to fill this bad boy up with some water. Okay, we're back. I've got it 3/4 of the way filled up, and I found some essential oils. Lemongrass. Now, note to self, the essential oil does not go in the water. I repeat, the essential oil does not go in the water. In fact, as I was looking at the manual, yeah, I did look at the manual, believe it or not, there is a little note that says, don't do that, and believe it or not, on the top it says, don't do that as well, because it'll probably ruin the internals a lot quicker than you want to. So again, they've got this little slot on the back here. I'll try to transition you so that you can see it a little closer. And I'm going to put some lemongrass essential oils in here. Again, Govee doesn't sell these, but you can get these on Amazon. We'll put the lemongrass essential oils here. Bingo. Now they do sell some other pads, and one did come with it. I wouldn't suggest mixing all your oils. Probably have a different pad for every oil that you want. We're going to go ahead and put that guy back in there, move that off to the side, and now we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens. By default, she goes straight into high. Or maybe low, I'm not sure. Both lights are on. So, if we push it again, oh, now it's in high. Now it's in low. But nonetheless, the beauty of Govee's products is that they are smart and they are connected. So let's go ahead and get this guy in our app. We fire up the app and here we are with all of our devices we're familiar with. Let's go ahead and hit plus up in the top corner, and if you've ever watched any of my videos before, you'll know my suggestion is never to search for the device because there are more and more devices showing up every day. Just hit the little Bluetooth logo up in the top corner and there you can see it. The H7141 and the last 4 digits of the MAC address. So we go ahead and we tap to it. The Wi-Fi indicator is flashing blue slowly. Please short press the purifier's power button to complete the connection. So we just tap it. Hey, we're in. All right. Smart humidifier, we'll go ahead and leave it with the default name. We need to go ahead and put the password to the Wi-Fi in there. It's probably already in there if you've already had Wi-Fi connections with any of your other Govee items. We'll go ahead and hit done. She successfully connects to the Wi-Fi, and now it's going to try and find the device. Here we are. Perfect. So, what do we have here? We've got manual, we've got custom. What's the custom do? Oh, it allows us to turn it on at different times for different hours or continuous. The manual, of course, allows us to change the mist level. Ooh, that's interesting. Custom to manual, we were at mist level 1. Now we're at 2. Now we go back. Okay, well, nonetheless. Indicator light. So the indicator light is going to tell us if the Wi-Fi connection signal is there or if it's being controlled. And there's the pairing for a smart hygrometer. Hey, check it out. I've got 2 smart hygrometers already in my house, and it can find them. Now, it says that it's suggested that it's placed within 3 to 10 feet or 1 to 3 meters. I'm going to leave that for another day, and we're going to transition back to the actual device itself and see what we think of it overall. Here we are, and it's misting away. It's doing its little thing. Smells like lemongrass. Pretty cool device overall. I'm going to give it a solid 8 out of 10 Govee. One thing that I would actually suggest, though, maybe in the next version, because I'm sure these are getting produced as we speak now, turn it into like my Aura. Give me some lights. One of the coolest things about Govee products is they are lit up like nobody else. RGB, RGB WW, RGB IC. Light this bad boy up, give me some lights in it. But other than that, I'm liking it. As I progress with it and as I use it more, I'll add more to the comments. But for now, there it is. The Govee Smart Wi-Fi enabled humidifier. Pretty cool little product from Govee. Well, that's it for another episode of this Just In with Justin. If you've got comments, questions, suggestions, throw them down in the comments below. If there's something you'd like for me to review, go ahead and tell me what you'd like. I'm always open for new ideas. We'll see you again on another episode. Take care.